I'm Travess Funk. I'm the Surgical Technology Clinical Coordinator for the Surgical Technology Program at Seward County Community College.
And I'm Lexi Honey. I'm the Program Director for the Surgical Technology Program here at Seward County. I knew from a young age that I wanted to work in healthcare, but I wasn't sure if being a nurse or going to med school was something that I wanted to pursue. Thanks to some unfortunate sports injuries, I was able to see firsthand what went on behind the closed doors of the operating room. I was fascinated by all the meticulous work that went into setting up for surgical procedures. I continued my research into the role of a surgical technologist and soon realized that working in the OR and assisting in surgery was exactly where I wanted to be.
Surgical technologists are allied health professionals who are specifically trained to function as an integral part of the surgical team, performing specialized duties before, during, and after a surgical procedure.
In simple language, surgical technologists are the people who make sure a surgery is successful from start to finish. We prepare the operating room, including the sterile field, setting up surgical instruments and supplies. The last thing a patient should worry about going into surgery is whether or not the room and the instruments are perfectly clean. We make sure that's the case.
During surgery, surgical technologists actively help the surgeon. We pass the instruments and supplies to the surgeon and prepare and manage surgical equipment.
You may remember seeing television shows or movies where the surgeon says, "Scalpel," and the assistant passes it over. In real life, the process is quieter and faster and requires the technologist to understand the entire procedure and anticipate the surgeon's next move.
The Surgical Technology Program at Seward County Community College is offered in an online lecture format with an on-campus lab component in the fall and locally available clinical affiliate sites for the spring and summer semesters. Students complete the didactic portion online, with all exams being proctored at a pre-approved site in their area or at Seward County Community College campus.
Beginning in 2021, the program culminates into an Associate of Applied Science degree, and students sit for their national certification exam immediately following graduation.
At the Seward County Community College Colvin Family Center for Allied Health, surgical technology students have access to Surgical Technology Skills Laboratory to develop the necessary competencies needed to provide patient care. Our building has its own computer lab for students to use, including internet access.
Applications for the program are accepted each year beginning November 1st. Interviews will be conducted after completion of the application process. Applications received after March 26th will be accepted. However, they may be placed on a wait list. For additional questions, please contact us at Seward County Community College.